Hi friends, my name is Dupne Abhishek and today's topic is difference between OOPS and POOPS. OOPS means object oriented and POOPS means structure oriented. Program is divided into the two object. Is program divided into the function object. Bottom up approach and top down approach. Inheritance property is used and inheritance is not allowed. It is use access specifier. Does not use access specifier. Encapsulation is used to hide the data and no hide the data. Concept of virtual function and no virtual function. Object function are linked throughout message passing and part of the program linked throughout message the passing. Adding new data and function is necessary and expanding new data and function is not easy. The existing data can be reused and next is no code reusability used to solve big problem and not suitable for solving the big problem. And then OOPS treats data as a critical element in the program development and does not allow to its freely around in the system. In OOPS, the major emphasis of the data rather than procedural is function, then data more closely to the function that operate on it, and product is from actual model in the outside function. OOPS allows the demonstrations at the problem into the number of entities called object and then build data and function around this object. The data of the object can be accessed only by the function associated with the object. However, function one of the object can access the function of other object. C++, Java, .NET, Python, etc. are the example of object-oriented programming language. Some characteristics of object-oriented programming language: enhance and the data rather than the procedure. Programs are divided into the object. Data hiding and cannot be accessible external function and follow bottom-up approach in the program design. Next is the feature of OOPS object-oriented programming language: class, object, encapsulation, data abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism, data binding, and message passing. Application of object programming language: user user interface design such as Windows menu and design support systems. Advantage of OOPS: improve software development, improve software maintainability, faster development, lower cost development, and higher quality software. This is all about OOPS and POOPS. Thank you.